Welcome to our WaveLinx CAT dimming switch pack, our emergency switch pack, and our receptacle switch pack install video. The relay switch pack, RSP, or the emergency switch pack, ESP, can be ordered pre-programmed.
So what's in the box? If the RSP has been ordered pre-programmed, it will have a label on the sticker with a Z and a number that indicates the zone number that this RSP has been assigned to. The Switchpack is the only device that supplies power to the other WaveLinx CAT devices on the daisy chain. On the bottom, notice the two Cat 5 ports. After installation, there should always be something plugged into each one of these ports, whether it's a Cat 5 cable or end-of-line terminator. In the box, you'll also find a bag with two end-of-line terminators. Do not discard this bag. To the left of the Cat 5 ports is a gray terminal block. That terminal block can be used to send a dry, normally open or normally closed signal to, for example, a BAS system to let it know occupancy status in the room. These contact outputs do not supply any voltage. Pin 1 is normally open. Pin 2 is common, and Pin 3 is normally closed. Pressing and holding the button on the face of the unit for 5 seconds will factory reset the RSP. To power the RSP, you'll connect the white to neutral, the black to 120 or 277, the blue to power the load for 0 to 10 volt dimming, the pink gets wired to dim minus, and the violet gets wired to dim plus. The emergency switch pack, or ESP, is going to look identical to the standard switch pack. It also gets wired in its factory reset the same way. Its only difference is the red sticker on the face of the unit. And finally, the zone receptacle switch pack, which again looks identical and wires almost identically to our other switch packs. You should cap off the pink and violet as they will not be used with a receptacle. When powered, all three types will power their load, and if wired to 0 to 10 volt fixtures will drive their dimmers to a bright level. RSP installation. Install the switch pack into a box with the line, load to the fixture, and 0 to 10 volt wiring. Wire together the neutral from the line load and switch pack. Wire the hot from the line to the black wire of the switch pack. Wire together the green from the line, the green from the load to the green to building ground. Wire the blue or switch leg from the RSP to the hot of the fixture. Wire the violet from the RSP to the dim plus of the fixture, and wire the pink from the RSP to the dim minus of the fixture. The emergency switch pack is wired the same except that it's fed from an emergency source. And finally, the receptacle switch pack is wired the same, but notice the dimming wires violet and pink are capped off. I hope this video was informative, and thanks for watching.